Right, welcome to the tutorial for basic breakdown of the FL Studio 12. Here I have FL Studio 12 64-bit version open. As you can see, I have all my options here. File where you can open up a new session, open up a new template, save, import, export, and exit, and etc. In the edit, I'll be able to undo and redo other options. I have add where I can add channels and plugin presets and refresh any plugin list that I've added in. Patterns, I've got the different patterns that you make inside FL Studios with your music, and you can import it. Move up and down, insert, delete, clone, and etc. Rename them. View, I have the view option where I can view different windows such as the piano roll, playlist. I'll show you an example. That will be the playlist. And then I have a channel rack, which is the one where you can add all your instruments and plugins that you have. And there's many more options such as the mixer browser and more. Also here I can change the layout, so if I want to close my windows, it closes all the windows that you have open that are not activated. I can also change the background, so if I want to set an image wallpaper, I'll do that. I can undo any history and do other browser options. Here, my options, I can go to the settings of the system, change the settings of the project, debug if I choose if there's any problems going on. I could change any MIDI options and switches and tools. I would to do the following and browse like Smart Find any components and refresh and so on and so on. Here I have my options of my metronome, song pattern, play, start, record. My BPM I can set whether I want to count down before I start recording. Here I have my main snap quantization. These other options of step editing and what you control links and such forth. Here I have my song position, so my timing, which I can change to even beat seconds and tempo, I think it is, and then it's minutes, seconds, and it's like it says CS, but I'm pretty sure it's milliseconds. But usually just leave it as that. Now pattern options, where I have all my patterns, I can clone, delete, move them down, which is also over here. It's basically a repeat of some of these options here. So yeah, that's a kind of a breakdown of FL Studios 12. You can save these like shortcuts here, where you can save, record, open audio editor, and so forth. These are just basic shortcuts to instead of searching up here in the taskbar. But yeah, that's a simple breakdown. Quickly just gonna show you the playlist window, piano roll, where you can insert your instruments and stuff, your keys and stuff like this. You have your channel rack, which will show you all your channels. Mixer window, which is below, make it bigger. And yeah, other stuff like this. But yeah, that's a basic breakdown of FL Studio 12. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more. It's easy. Just hit those buttons underneath this video. Follow me on my social media pages. All links are in the description below. Tidy Engineer.